Introducing the extraordinary CC'd N1, a television that transcends the boundaries of luxury and innovation. Crafted for the ultra-wealthy, this custom-built marvel is a testament to opulence. The 137-inch version showcased at CES 2024 is one of only two N1 models in existence. What sets the N1 apart is its mesmerizing folding mechanism. With the press of a button, the colossal screen gracefully divides into parts, slowly butterfly folding and descending into a compact rectangular form, a transformation that takes a mere 2.5 minutes. In its folded state, the N1 resembles more of a solid metal bench than a television, and the N1 presents a stunning, seamless picture with the ability to rotate 180 degrees. The proprietary Adaptive Gap Calibration ensures an immaculate display by measuring distances, detecting offsets, and calibrating LED brightness to eliminate visible seams between screen sections. Harnessing micro-LED technology, the N1 achieves a massive 4K resolution with an astounding 4000 nits peak brightness, HDR, and a wide color gamut. CC8's exceptional engineering, individual pixels are virtually imperceptible at normal viewing distances, delivering an unparalleled visual experience.